What's up, everybody? So Vince McMahon's team has suffered another setback in the case with Janel Grant. This comes from F4WOnline.com and is linked in the description below. Judge denies Vince McMahon's motion to enforce stay in Janel Grant lawsuit. Vince McMahon's motion to enforce a federal court stay order against Janel Grant has been denied. Grant filed a petition in the state of Connecticut last month seeking to obtain medical records related to her treatment with Dr. Colker, C-O-L-K-E-R, at Peak Wellness. She alleges were arranged through Vince McMahon. The following week, McMahon's lawyers argued that Grant filing the petition violated the federal stay order that had been placed on Grant's lawsuit against McMahon, WWE, and John Laurinaitis back in June. After telling the federal court that she would pursue her lawsuit, Ms. Grant immediately violated the stay order, seeking one-sided discovery for her own benefit. McMahon's lawyer, Jessica Taub, said in response to Grant's petition. McMahon's lawyers asked the court to prevent Grant from obtaining the materials from Peak Wellness. They also asked that Grant be subject to contempt and financial sanction. Grant's lawyers responded that the petition wasn't subject to the federal stay order since it was filed in a state court, and neither Dr. Colker nor Peak Wellness are defendants in Grant's lawsuit against McMahon and WWE. We did not violate a federal stay by filing a state action against a non-defendant, Grant's lawyer responded. Today, Judge Jeffrey A. Meyer ruled that the stay order does not apply to Grant's petition to obtain medical records from Peak Wellness. The court does not interpret its entry of the stay order to apply to state court proceedings that are outside the scope of discovery prescribed by the federal rules of civil procedure governing the conduct of discovery in federal court litigation. Federal courts do not ordinarily regulate or sit in review of proceedings in state courts, and the court's stay order did not purport to extend to any state court proceedings. If there is any objection to state court proceedings, relief should in state court rather than in this court. Accordingly, the court denies defendant McMahon's motion to enforce the court's stay order for failure to show that there has been a violation of the court's stay order. It is so ordered. So, another setback for Vince McMahon and his team in this lawsuit brought against them by Janel Grant for all of the absolutely disgusting and horrible things Janel Grant alleges happened to her while her time at WWE by Vince McMahon, John Laurinaitis, and who knows what else happened. If this actually makes it to trial, it is going to be extraordinarily interesting to see what comes up, to see who knows what, to see who knew what was going on, and to see who else gets brought into this lawsuit just by the people that get called to the stand to testify in this case. What do you think? What do you think of everything that is going on in this case brought by Janel Grant against Vince McMahon, John Laurinaitis, and WWE? Let me know. Leave some comments below. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you again soon.